All right, here we go. We're going to be doing some cutting today. We've got to cut off roughly 3.5 inches of this fender to make room for the 37-inch tires. These guys right here. So we're going to clear out the fender wells, get those all cut up, dressed up nice, so those Maxxis will fit in there perfectly. So essentially I've got it all taped off. That way the saw will glide over the cut perfectly. And obviously I've got it drawn out at 3.5 inches up from the edge of the fender. And it kind of matches my Raptor bumper up here to try and match that contour. And there's actually a little line, body line right here that I'm also trying to match. So should look pretty clean. I'm excited for it. Get these tires in here and we'll be ready to go. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Kingdom Overlanding, and this is your first time. Thanks for watching. Please give us a subscribe. We are out here today. We have our maiden voyage with the Expedition on 37s. This thing is amazing. Like, the improved ground clearance, the amount of traction we have now with the Maxxis RAZRs, it's unbelievable. I mean, this thing looked great in the driveway, but seeing it out here now on the trail is even that much better. So glad we did the move to 37s. Yeah, I did have to do a lot of trimming, a lot of cutting. Some of that may be hard for you guys to watch, but after driving this thing for a year and a half on essentially 34-inch tires, making this jump has been totally worth it. So yeah, we're just out here cruising this riverbed. We're out here at Box Canyon, just outside of Wickenburg, just romping through the riverbed and running through its paces. You know, we'll see what we got to fix later on. You know, what's loose, what's, you know, what needs to be adjusted some more. But so we're about an hour on the trail. We'll probably pull over here soon, enjoy the sunset, fix up some dinner, and just enjoy this beautiful ride we have now. All right, guys, I know that this is like the first trip out, but we've also added lights. We've added KC lights. We've had the Gravity Pro 6 on the front, and then got the 10-inch C-Series on the side. So big thanks to KC. We've partnered with them and to offer these lights on this Ford Expedition roof rack. We've custom fit and fitted these on there, so they fit perfect, and all the brackets. So the KC brackets that come with it, we did have to modify them slightly, and we're working on coming out with. Don't do that, please. So on the KC light bar brackets, the Pro 6 Gravities, we're going to be coming out with a bracket for that to tie right into our roof rack, and then brackets as well for the side lights, the 10-inch C-Series. So as soon as those are ready, we'll have those on the website as well. But like I said, big thanks to KC, big partner with them, and we're excited to move forward with that.
Sure, see him.
Javelina.
A Captain Javelina. Oh, I got scared.
Alright guys, we are back. We're back from the run, the initial shakedown run, and it was a great success. We didn't really have any issues. Everything worked really nicely. I also want to give a huge thanks to Ty and Annie from Redtail Overland. They are the ones who put on 37s on their Expedition Max, and they gave me a lot of inspiration. We met them at Overland Expo West. Just want to thank you guys for all your pointers and advice, and just kind of giving us the nudge to do it on our truck. So appreciate that. There's a couple things I need to button up. The rear tires are still rubbing a little bit on the inside of the wheel well, like up high. So there's a lot of weight on the rear part of this vehicle between the hitch mount, swing out, and the kitchen gear drawer setup. I'm guessing about 450, maybe 500 pounds of weight back there. So those springs are definitely over compressed when we're going through obstacles or bumps or whatever. So that's what's causing it to rub at full flex. So I'm going to order some new stiffer springs from Icon, and that should hopefully address that issue. The problem is they're like on a 4-month back order, so it's unfortunate. And then the other thing I want to get taken care of is going to be the wheel wells. So right now I had to rip out the factory wheel well liners, and I want to put something back in there to help protect some of the important stuff, some of the wires and the headlights from the backside. So I'm thinking either some aluminum plates or some thick HD PE plastic. We'll see how that goes. I'll work on that in the future, but yeah, like I said, it was a great ride. This expedition is going to be amazing in the future. I would definitely do it. If you guys have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching.